Hello, welcome to today's educational video tutorial on how to buy Tether USDT. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to buy Tether, that is USDT, within just a few minutes. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Umoren, your trusted money coach. Follow me on Facebook and LinkedIn for more educational content on investing and personal finance. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Let's jump right in. How to buy Tether USDT on a crypto exchange. So step 1, log into your preferred crypto exchange. For example, Binance, NDAX, Kraken, Coinbase, KUCOIN. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be demonstrating how to buy USDT on KUCOIN using Canadian dollars. It also follows the same logic if you're buying from another country, say the US, Australia, somewhere in Europe, Nigeria, Ghana, Togo, any country that you are, it follows the same logic. So go ahead and log into your KuCoin account. If you don't have a KuCoin account, scroll to the description area below for the official link or click on the link up here. Step 1, go ahead and log into your KuCoin account. Once you're logged into your KuCoin account, you're going to come under Buy Crypto, then go to P2P. P2P simply means peer-to-peer. So we're going to be buying this using the peer-to-peer method. So once it brings you to this page, we're going to scroll down a little bit and you can see the several options that are available, the different USDT merchants. So here by default is showing me CAD. So I'm buying this from Canada and that's why the currency right here is already set to Canadian dollars. But if you are buying from another country, say the US, just scroll and you can pick your currency. Okay, so I'm just going to be using Canadian dollars. The next thing I'm going to do is to enter the amount. So I'm going to be transferring $200 Canadian. And once I enter the dollar amount and the currency, it's going to show me the available merchants that I can go with. You can see here, this one has a 98% completion rate, but it doesn't give me the option to buy. Then I'm going to scroll down a little bit. This one has 95%. It gives me the option to use Interact e-transfer. If I keep scrolling down, the more you scroll down, the more expensive it gets. So by default, I'll just go with the cheapest option, which is this one here. This one has already had about 725 orders, 95% completion rate. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on buy. Now I'm going to enter the dollar amount here, which is 200. And this is going to give me about 144.9 USDT. So I'm going to click on place order. And even before I click on place order, you can see the remark here. It says Interact e-transfer usually takes up to half an hour to process, so please be patient. So I'm going to click on place order. Now I have the instruction on how to make the payment. So now once I've placed the order, right here you can see that I have about 14 minutes to make this order, meaning to make the Interact e-transfer from my bank to this merchant. So I'm going to click on pay. Now, Interact details has been shown here. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to copy these details. Make sure that you just copy, don't try to type it out because there's always that tendency for you to make a mistake. So I'm just going to copy these details and then make the Interact e-transfer. Make sure you include all of this information. So now I've already completed the Interact e-transfer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on confirm payment. So I'm just going to wait a few minutes for this merchant to confirm the transaction. Or you can just simply send a message here. Hello, did you receive an Interact e-transfer for $200? Then kindly confirm receipts. Thank you. Also, don't forget to send a screenshot once the payment has been done. So I'm going to attach a screenshot of the payment that I just made. I'm just going to wait for a few minutes for this to be processed. So now you can see that the transaction has been confirmed and it's now complete. So we're going to be transferring the USDT that we just bought using the peer-to-peer method. We're going to be transferring this from the funding account into our trading account. The reason why we're doing this transfer is so that when you want to use this to buy any coin, you're going to be doing that from your trading account. Okay. So right here, I'm going to click on transfer. So again, it's coming out from my funding account into my trading account and I'm sending everything. So I'm going to click on confirm. Success. So now when I go back to my trading account, I can see that the USDT that I just transferred, it's now in my trading account. Okay. So I used to have some USDT in my account before. That's why the total is a little bit higher than what I just transferred. But usually once you transfer from the funding to the trading account, you're going to see it under your trading account. So this is just a simple way to buy Tether USDT using a peer-to-peer method. And you can use this for any currency, Canadian dollars, American dollars, Australian dollars. You just need to go through the same process. So we've come to the end of today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a big like and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment area below. And if you want a one-on-one session with me, I'm also going to leave a link in the description below and also in the pinned comment where you can just reserve a spot and have a one-on-one conversation with me. Until then, I'm Umoren, your trusted money coach.